Today let's solve another HackerRank problem, string split and join. So as per the problem definition, in Python a string can be split on a delimiter. So it is given a string A. This is a string which can be split using the split function. Like we can split this string into different words. This is A and string. So again we can join the same string using the join function. So our task is to you are given a string, split the string on a space delimiter and join using hyphen. Okay. The first line contains a string consisting of space separated words. Print the formatted string as explained above. So here is the simple input. So this is a string, which is a string, and the simple output will be this hyphen is hyphen a hyphen string. So let's solve the problem. Okay, first let's take a variable a. So a will be, so our line variable will contain the input, that means the string which is given to us. So let's split the line first.